There is this one course which is equally valuable as CA in more than 180 plus countries. You can say it is a CA for foreign countries, which is none other than ACCA. Once you complete it, you will get the signing authorities in countries like UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Singapore, and many more. Even though it does not give you the signing authority in India, it is still equally important as CA. And once you complete it, you'll be easily able to get jobs into Big Four and other top companies. But what exactly is ACCA? Who should do it? And what is the eligibility? Everything is covered in this video. So guys, this is Ganesh Nayak, founder of Fintelligents, where we help students to crack professional certifications like FRN, CFA and SCR. And if you are new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel for more such finance career videos. Let us now get into the video. What is ACCA? ACCA stands for Association of Chartered Certified Accountants, which is the world's largest and the oldest accounting association formed in UK in 1904. It is the globally recognized course that has more than 2 lakh members and 6 lakh students across 180 countries. ACCA prepares professionals for various domains like accounting, audit, taxation, management, finance, and forensic audit also. What is the exam structure? Now that we have seen the basic understanding of ACCA, let's move to the exam structure and how it works. ACCA has total 3 levels: applied knowledge level, applied skill level, strategic professional level. Let's break down further. In the applied knowledge level, you will have to give 3 papers: business and taxation, management accounting, financial accounting. And then in the applied skill level, you'll have to give 6 papers: corporate and business laws, performance management, taxation, financial reporting, financial management, audit and assurance. And finally, in the strategic professional level, you'll have to give 4 papers. There are certain compulsory papers like strategic business leaders, strategic business reporting, and 2 optional papers from advanced financial management called AFM, advanced performance management which is APM, advanced taxation, and advanced audit and assurance. In total, there are 13 papers you need to clear. However, do not worry, there are exemptions based on your previous qualification. So what are the exemptions? If you're doing ACCA straight out of 12th standard, you'll have to give all 13 papers. But if you're a commerce graduate or a done MCOM, you have 4 paper exemption. If you have already cleared CA, IPCC, both groups, you have exemption of 5 papers. If you have already completed CA, then you can skip 9 papers and do the remaining and become a ACCA. Another advantage of ACCA over CA is that all papers are standalone. Unlike CA, you do not have a sequential structure. And the exam is conducted 4 times a year, which gives you more convenience and more flexibility. Ethics and work experience. Once you clear all the exam, the next step is to complete a module on ethics and professional skill, which is very, very important as a global accounting career. After that, you'll have to submit a 36 months of work experience. These work experience has to be completed before or even after completing the ACCA course. So what is the eligibility of ACCA? Now, like I said, anybody who has cleared 10+2 with a score of 65% in English, mathematics, accounts can apply for ACCA. A minimum of 50% in other subjects is also required. Now friends, very important question: how much it will cost you to complete the overall ACCA? When it comes to the costing of pursuing ACCA, it typically ranges from 2 lakh to 4 lakh in India. But keep in mind, the cost can vary based on a variety of factors. For example, if you are CA, you have a lot of exemptions available, which will reduce the number of paper overall, ultimately lowering the overall expenses. Additionally, if you choose to do a self-study or enrolling on classes, that will also increase your cost. So while the cost might seem significant, the value for the course is also very good. It offers great career prospect and global opportunity for you, which is also requiring as a great investment in your career. Course duration and exam flexibility. So how long does it take to actually complete the ACCA course? Typically, the ACCA course takes around 2 to 3 years to finish. You have the flexibility to appear for exam 4 times a year: March, June, September, or December, which makes it more convenient for candidates to schedule their exam as per their pace. Each exam consists of 2 sections. Section A, which is objective type question. Section B, which is a long form question. Each paper carries 100 marks and you need to at least score 50% to pass. And here is something which you need to keep in mind. ACCA does not have a negative marking for any wrong answers that you're going to do in the exam. Why should you perceive ACCA? Now you might be wondering, why should I, as a finance student, should perceive ACCA? There are so many accounting and finances courses available. Well, let me give you a few reasons which will make ACCA stand out. First, it is more than CA. A few years back, CA was the most prestigious accounting course in India, but now even many CA candidates are pursuing ACCA. Why? Because the passing rate is 40%, and as compared to CA, which is slightly low. And also, it gives you more accessibility in terms of global front. Second, global recognition. ACCA is available in 180 plus countries And the qualification is also important for most of the multinational companies who are operating in India and outside. So if you are ACCA, it opens up worldwide prospect. Third, promising career. ACCA equips you with the strategic skill, leadership qualities and expertise in various domains of finance and accounting. This makes you a favorite candidate for most multinational companies. With ACCA, your career growth can be rapid. Fourth, decent salary package. With growing experience, ACCA members can earn competitive salaries. According to the research that has happened, an average salary is 12 lakh per annum. Next, community support. As an ACCA members, you become a part of the global community of professionals, and ACCA regularly updates its members with latest industry trends, development, which will help you to be in loop with what is happening in the industry. Job opportunities. Let's talk about it in detail. That after completing ACCA, what are the job opportunities you will have? Here are some of the popular roles that people are doing in the industry: management accountant, credit controller, tax specialist, forensic accountants, auditors, financial accountant, finance managers, corporate treasurers, and even CFO, Chief Financial Officer. What is the scope of ACCA in India? Now, in India, ACCA qualified professionals are highly sought out for, especially from big four firms and multinational companies. Employers are increasingly recognizing ACCA as a prestigious qualification, and the members are often offered roles and salaries which are as good as for a CA candidate. With the introduction of Indian accounting standards similar to IFRS, the professionals with ACCA are more and more in demand. The salary offered to a fresh ACCA members in India typically ranges from 3 lakh to 8 lakh annually, and the growth potential is awesome. So, to sum it up, ACCA is a highly respectable and globally recognized qualification which opens up numerous career opportunities, especially in top firms. If you're someone who's looking for a globally recognized qualification that can provide both career growth and a decent salary, ACCA might be a perfect choice for you. Thanks for watching. If you have found this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends who are interested in making a career in finance. Catch you up in the next video.